Once your 3D rendering is complete, you now need to get the digital file that has been created on Tinkercad to the 3D printer. This can be done in a number of ways. First of all, you must import the file into a slicing program. For our FlashForge printers, we recommend FlashPrint. This free software tells the printer how to print the rendering that has been created. During this part of the process, you can make adjustments to the file, like changing the size, before sending it to the printer. The next option is to download the saved file onto a USB drive and load the image by using the USB port on the 3D printer. Using the display screen, you will locate the USB port, find the file, and begin printing. You can also transfer the file via a Wi-Fi connection. Find the downloaded file saved in FlashPrint first, then transfer it to the printer by choosing that option in your FlashPrint menu. Finally, you can directly connect the computer you've saved your file on to the 3D printer using the provided USB cable.